Welcome to this Docker optimization tutorial, where we will cover the basics of Docker performance optimization. In this video, we will show you how to boost your Docker container performance and avoid common pitfalls. Have you ever experienced slow Docker containers? This can be frustrating, especially when working on complex projects. In this tutorial, we will show you how to identify and solve this problem. The solution to slow Docker containers is to use the Docker system prune command. This command removes unused data and helps to boost container performance. Now, let's run the Docker system prune command. This command will remove all unused data and help to boost our container performance. To keep your Docker containers running smoothly, it's essential to regularly clean up unused data. This can be done using the Docker system prune command. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of Docker performance optimization. We showed you how to use the Docker system prune command to boost container performance and avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.